Let's begin by making sure that Python is properly installed and configured on our computer. Now, the good news is that many modern computing systems already come with Python installed. So, for example, if you're watching this course on a Mac or on Ubuntu Linux, then you've already got Python on your computer. The best way to make sure that Python is already installed is to open up a command prompt and try executing the Python interpreter. Now, I'm going to do that here by opening up a command prompt on my Windows machine. If you're using a Mac, you can just start the terminal program and do the same thing. Okay, so here in my command prompt, I'm going to type Python --version. And I'm going to execute this. And you can see here on my computer, I'm using Python 2.7.5. Now, if you didn't get a result that looks like this, the word Python followed by a version number, maybe you got something like an error saying something along the lines of Python is an unrecognized command or something like that, that means that Python is not currently configured on your computer and you need to go get it. So let's go do that on the Python website. Okay, this is the Python website located at python.org. And over here on the left-hand side, if I scroll down a little bit, you'll notice that there are two versions of Python. There's 2.7 something, and then there's the 3.x line. Both versions of Python are still currently supported. The 2.7 version is the original version of the Python language. The 3 version is the newer, updated version of the language. Now, all of the things I'm going to be showing you in this course should work fine on either one of these versions of Python. I'm going to be using version 2.7.5 in this course because it's still very widely supported throughout the industry. For example, the version that comes with Macs currently is still 2.7. Google App Engine supports 2.7, for example, so I'm going to be using 2.7. But don't fear, if you decide to install the 3 line, that should work just fine. So to install Python on your computer, probably a Windows machine, you'll just need to click on the Windows installer right here. This will download the windows.msi installer, it will install Python on your computer, and then you'll be off and running. All right, once you've got Python installed on your computer, let's go ahead and take a look at some developer tools for working with Python.